All right, welcome back, everybody. We are taking your questions right now for veterinarian David Graff. Thanks for coming in today.
Good to be here, Ashley.
And hey, we have something that we want to talk about a little bit. 'Tis the season, soon anyway, fleas and ticks, heartworm
Absolutely.
pills, all that.
Yep.
So give us
Yep.
the rundown on
Yep.
what we need to do for our pets.
Okay, well, first of all, if your dog has been off of heartworm pills for the winter, it's time to be on them now. One of my staff members got bit by a mosquito yesterday, so there's mosquitoes out, so your dog is at risk of heartworms. I generally recommend year-round heartworm medicine for a couple of good reasons. Number one, Novartis, which makes Interceptor, will give you flea insurance, or heartworm insurance if your dog is on them every month, year-round, and gets a heartworm test once a year. And I have 2 clients within the last year that redeemed this guarantee. Their dogs came down with heartworms, and the company paid for heartworm treatment. No medicine is 100% effective.
Right.
And you need to be on heartworm pills once a month year-round, is my recommendation.
Okay.
And as far as fleas and ticks, absolutely, there's fleas. We actually have fleas all winter. Almost every squirrel I've ever had brought into me has fleas on it, whether it's the middle of January or the middle of July. Mm-hmm. And so it is time to start administering flea and tick prevention.
Yeah, I think that's probably a common myth that you know, as soon as it gets cold outside and it freezes, then those die.
Right. It's actually not the cold, it's the low humidity in the house. The low humidity in the house in the winter is the reason that flea eggs and flea larvae become dormant. Mm-hmm. And as soon as the humidity goes up this time of year, you'll start seeing them again.
Delightful. All right. We have Eric on the phone. He has a question about cat behavior. Eric?
Yes. Are you there, Doctor?
Hi, Eric.
Yeah. We have a cat who's so inquisitive. He wants to jump up on the table. He wants to jump up on the counter, and we've tried all kinds of measures to try to distract him from jumping up and trying to get into everything. Do you have any other suggestions on what we can do?
One of the things that's easy to do that has worked, I've had my clients tell me they've tried this, is to get a spray bottle that will spray from a great distance and put just clean water in it, and you can zap your cat from across the room when they jump up on the counter. And I've had my clients tell me that this is one of the ways that they've used to work. Another way is there are motion detectors that make noise. You can get these at Halloween. They sell them at the drugstores at Halloween, and people like to set them by their door. When the kids come up to trick or treat, they make noises because they're motion detectors. You can put those on your counter, and then when the cat jumps up, it sets it off and screams, and then the cat becomes alarmed and jumps off. So those are a couple of ways. You can go to the internet and find some of these. I think one's called the Scraminal. Scraminal. And if you go looking for that on the internet, it's a motion detector that's for putting on counters to keep cats from jumping.
Yeah, they don't like to, cats do not like water. They do not like to get wet, at least mine don't. So.
They like it on their own terms. A dripping faucet that fascinates them, but not being sprayed.
You could get like a Nerf gun or something, spray water from across the room. That'd be an easy solution too. All right, well, Dr. Dave, thanks for coming in today. We appreciate you coming in. And tomorrow, psychologist Dick Stockwell will join us, so stay with us for that and get your questions ready. We'll be right back.